Welcome to JH. I recently started using the Nordic Biolabs Stem Cell Complete Hair Cycle Solution 2.0 because apparently my hair was overdue for a mandatory software update. Right away, the tingling sensation on my scalp let me know something was actually happening, feeling both invigorating and refreshing. It's always reassuring when a product introduces itself with a tiny electric shock to the brain. Over the first month, I noticed my hair felt stronger and I was shedding significantly less. Instead of pulling a small forest out of my hairbrush every morning, I'm only seeing a few strands, which is a massive relief for both my vanity and my plumbing. The experts say baby hairs start appearing between weeks 6 and 12, and by the 6-month mark, the volume and thickness really start to show. Watching that soft fuzz transition into actual, thick growth was a huge confidence booster, because let's be honest, soft fuzz is a look only a baby bird can truly pull off. What I love most about this solution is how gradual but consistent the new growth is along my hairline and crown. It's incredibly simple to use, fits perfectly into my daily routine, and actually delivers on the promise of healthier hair without requiring a ritual sacrifice. It turns out you don't need a miracle to fix your mane, just a bit of consistency and a product that actually does its job.